Well, well, well. Look what the cat drug in. What is going on, everyone? Derek here today, bringing you another episode of Redo Blue. Now, with today's episode, I'm obviously here joined with Jordan, and this episode is probably a really exciting one to you guys because you've known I've wanted a different front end for the car for some time now. And I'm gonna be honest, we're not gonna bullshit in this video. We're gonna get right to work because this is crunch mode. Mustang week is in like 8 days as of today, and I have a lot to do. If you're watching this video though, you know we just got the fender fixed. That thing is back on, ready to rock and roll. Got the fender liner back in, and now we have to work on the front bumper, which is gonna lie over here in that box. Now I know I've given many hints as to what it is. A lot of you guys, well, we'll say 95% of you guys know exactly what bumper it is. And I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you why I bought this, and I also have another box in there that I have to unbox for you guys. I'm gonna try to set this camera somewhere so Jordan and I can pull this bumper out. Alright guys, so the bumper I got for my 1999 Mustang GT. It's not gonna really be a surprise to many of you guys, but once I go into the information and details on why I bought this, you know, you're gonna fully understand. But anyways, let's go ahead and pull this thing out of the box. 2, 3. So, we got the 2003/2004 Terminator Cobra bumper, already painted in bright Atlantic blue. Jordan, can you see if you can hold this? I'll just give them a little quick look. So guys, this is the bumper, little up close. Paint's stupid fresh. It's almost scary because paint's kind of old, but you know, anyways, we'll get to that. But I got some packing powder on it and whatnot. But yeah, guys, old bumper, new bumper. Super stoked to get this thing on. And with that bumper, I actually have a box from LMR that I need to open right now for you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and put this away, set this to the side because we have a lot of steps to do today. And first things first, we're gonna start with this bumper once we get into the installation. But you know, I'm gonna set that aside. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this and keep going with this video.
Welcome to Unboxing with DBP. What we got today?
All right, so today, guys, you know, we have the infamous LMR, and my marketing manager, Tyler, he's the one that, you know, is on top of the game. Like, when I mean on top, American Muscle, CJ Pony Parts, you ain't got shit on LMR, I'm telling you that right now. Like, these guys are taking over the YouTubing community. Anyways, guys, with the Cobra bumper in today's Redo Blue episode, LMR sent me some goodies, and this is probably, no, this is not probably, this is the main reason why I got the Cobra conversion going on. So, obviously inside this box, you know, we're gonna need a couple things to spice up that Cobra bumper. And, you know, first things first, I'm gonna just wing it right out of the box. We have LMR's version of their 0304 Cobra splitter? Splitter? Yeah, sorry, sounds pretty bright. And this is OEM fit, so we're gonna try our best to do this. But yeah, so this is what the Cobra one looks like. And you guys might know the OEM Cobra lip goes for a stupid amount of money. And I believe at LMR you can get this for like $230, $240, $250, somewhere in that area. It's a lot cheaper than the OEM one. And the material, Jordan and I were actually talking.
It's like a really nice rubber.
It's not
almost
like the Mach 1 plastic, it's an actual rubber. So really excited to get this thing put on. So I'm actually gonna leave it out to, you know, bake in the sun and kind of loosen up a little bit. So
all the heat from that twin turbo Coyote Swap Camry should do it, right?
So let that sucker sit. Back to the box, boy. Well, we got these boxes here to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I haven't opened this up yet. So inside these two boxes here, it's gonna be this one and this one. These are gonna be the fog light bezels for the fog lights. Obviously, these are a must if you want to put fog lights in the car. And if you don't put fog lights in your car, like with the Cobra bumper, you're fucking up because that looks silly. Yeah, see right there, boom, boom. And then onto these two. These actually came in a box. Little disclaimer, they did come in a box, but you know, DBP had to put his own little twist on these suckers. And many of you guys that follow me on Instagram probably have already seen this. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me at DerekBaranProductions. You can see a lot of exclusive / early access type shit there. And wha-bam! These are gonna be the fog lights that I got tinted and double wrapped. So Jordan, can you kind of see that? A little dirty, but yeah, we got some fog lights to throw in there. I just spit. Got some fog lights to throw in there with some well, I'm not gonna say that yet. It's later in the video. We're getting a kind of a double whammy this video, but yes, they're tinted. They did not come like this. I don't know if LMR sells smoked or tinted fog lights for Cobras, but you know, your boy had to get his tinted. So I got both of those done. Yes. All right, here we go. So like that, it's like my heartbeat effect. Okay, let's go back to it. Oh, look at that. We got that fresh pony to finish the grill up, bro. How's it look?
Hey, I think you should Yeah.
So guys, we got the pony to wrap it up. Many of you guys might know the pony I had on the car was actually the same chrome one. I actually painted it, and it just over time, the sun, heat, you know, it fucking started tearing the paint up. So LMR sent me a brand new pony to finish up the front end, which I'm very, very happy about because it's the little details. Like if you look at Jordan's car again, it's just like, you know, that pony sticks out, but it's really subtle at the same time. It looks awesome. All right, guys, so yeah, other than that, you know, I got some hardware and stuff. It looks like I got some connecting harnesses. I'm assuming these are for the fogs.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, that's the box from LMR. Again, Tyler, I cannot express to you how much I appreciate the help. LMR, all you guys out there, my homies, I'm gonna make it there soon. Blue. We'll get there. But so yeah, guys, that's for the box from LMR to help with the Cobra bumper. I want to take a quick walk over to the Cobra bumper. I want to tell you guys like a little more details on it, how much I paid, where you can get it from, and you know, the type of material and whatnot. So let's head over there. We already pulled this out of the box, but the Cobra bumpers, obviously the Terminator ones are really well known. A lot of people do them, and they just spice up the look of the car from the GT one. And I know I'm probably gonna get a lot of hate for this. Oh, here we go, another dude with a Terminator Cobra bumper. I paid $250 for this bumper. It's not fiberglass, and it came pre-painted bright Atlantic blue because this website on eBay, these guys have sold hundreds, probably close to 1,000 of these bumpers to people. Everybody loves them. The reviews are amazing. So go look on eBay, just type in Terminator Cobra bumper. You'll have unpainted ones. That's what you got, right? Because you got your car painted.
That's what I got, man.
And then you could get pre-painted. It's like $320 for the pre-painted, but I bought it on eBay's day where you get 15% off everything on eBay. So I paid like $250, $260.
He paid the same amount for a painted one that I paid for unpainted one.
Yeah.
But I got the bezels and fogs with it.
Yeah, exactly. Anyways, let's go into here so I can shut all those loudmouth little punk kid haters up. So here's my stock bumper. You can clearly see it's definitely aged some, but if you zoom in close, that's not dirt, fam. This is not chips. Dirt. These are chips. This is all rock chips, and I mean for 250 bucks.
These look like watermarks or whatever,
nah, dude,
but they don't come off. Yeah.
All chips. So that's where I was at with the bumper, guys. I mean, it looks good, and I'm gonna get an intercooler put on the blower, and nothing fits better than a Terminator bumper with an intercooler, so I don't have to do any fabbing to this. All in all, it's a win-win. So yeah, that's why I got the Cobra bumper. Let's install this bitch. Come here real quick. Jordan actually helped me out with this. Peek down here. When you install the Cobra bumpers, this bar right here, this bar is typically blue. If Jordan shines it over to the left right there, you can see where I started painting it.
It's, yeah. So it starts out blue, but he's painted most of it.
Yeah, so what you want to do is paint this black, because if you don't, since we don't have an intercooler right now, come here. Actually, let's go to your car. Perfect example. So if you look down at Jordan's car, you can see, boom, right through to the radiator, and you see that black bar back there? That will be originally blue, and it'll stand out and look like a fucking eyesore. So make sure you paint that. Super easy, and you can't fuck it up because either way, whenever you have a bumper on, it's gonna be hidden anyway. So paint it black. We're gonna get everything prepped, ready to go, and we'll pick this vlog right back up. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and do a step-by-step installation / tutorial on how to, you know, convert the tabs to the Cobra bumper and putting the Cobra bumper on. So first things first, guys, I was kind of bummed out because when Jordan actually ordered his Cobra bumper came with brand new tabs. So his came with brand new ones, and obviously I'm gonna have to drill mine out, and Jordan and I were just doing a little trial and error. So what we're gonna do first is drill these metal tabs off, and then we're gonna set those aside, and obviously when it comes time, we're gonna put them on the new bumper. And with the new bumper, you're actually gonna wanna use rivets. So we have a rivet gun here, and you're gonna wanna go ahead and get yourself some 3/16 rivets. That's pretty much this right here, and that's gonna pop in the hole, and you're gonna push it, and it's gonna replace. Yeah, you guys get where this is going. You're gonna need a drill with a drill bit. We're using a hefty one because you want to drill and destroy the head of the rivet so it pops off the bottom side. So Jordan's just gonna film me do one more, and then we're gonna hit them all, because obviously I'm just gonna show you how to do one, and then one and done. So here you go, Jordan.
You only need this if it does not come with it, and we're gonna show you how to do it right now. DVP only has one good eye.
Yeah, let's go. Put your DVP back in this bitch. Here we go. These are tinted. Why do I buy everything fucking tinted?
Yeah,
I can't even see, dude. Boom, just like that, guys. Rivet is gone, but that's how you drill out your rivets. And we're gonna go ahead and continue those on all sides, and then from there, we'll meet you back. All right, so we got both brackets out. This is the right one. I marked it with an R right there just to be safe.
Wow.
Once you're done with that, as for the old bumper, guys, you can go ahead and set that aside, drop kick it, RKO it, do whatever you want. And we're gonna reapply these with the rivet gun. So we got this new bracket lined up on the Cobra bumper. We're gonna go ahead, put our rivet in our gun, and with this, we're not gonna really be able to film it. but you just stick the rivet in, squeeze, 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 and it expands because it's aluminum. It gets really hot on the other side. It expands, so it kind of works like a nut and bolt, but obviously it's not, and then it cuts right off. So we're gonna go apply our first rivet right here, all the way down, nice and flat. Then you're gonna feed it
through both the holes.
Through both the holes, right? So you wanna keep it flat.
Hold it as far as you can onto it.
And then you squeeze, squeeze. It gets tough, and then, and there you go. It breaks right off. And good to go. All right, guys, so now that the rivets are completed, the tabs are switched to the Cobra bumper. We have the Cobra bumper like this because we're actually going to apply our lip. And our lip was sitting in the sun, and it's perfect because it's nice and hot now, and it kind of, you know, gave it some more form. So we're going to go ahead, install this thing. And it's pretty self-explanatory. I don't really need to show you guys how to do this because it's literally, there's tabs on the bumper for it. Yeah.
They give you little plastic push tabs to put in it.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, guys, so we're putting in the last little push pin. It's having a little bit of trouble, but this thing looks absolutely incredible. Look at that Cobra lip. That thing, it honestly looks OEM. It's so nice. Remember, LMR carries these. Way cheaper than the OEM one. Very, very impressed with the fitment on this. That sucker's not going anywhere. Lip is on. What do you think, man?
I think it looks amazing, dude.
Dude, for none of these parts are OEM, dude. Yeah. And they look fucking fantastic. Like, I guarantee you right now, if you have a Cobra, this fits just as good, if not better, and it's not even OEM. I promise you. Right now, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put the bezels in, show them how hard it is.
You ready?
Yep.
Bam.
Nice. Those are held in by 2 screws on the back side, and then the fog lights. And from there, fam, we can start installing shit. But we're not gonna film this, guys. It's super easy to do. We're just trying to knock this out. I have a lot on my list to do today. So, put the bezels on.
6 screws each side. 2 for the bezel, 4 for the fogs. That's it.
Simple, and we have all those right there. So we're gonna go ahead and get these installed. All right, so fog lights are going in. As you can see, 1, 2. Got Andrew and Dane here. What's up? Bumper is officially intact. We got the fogs in with the bezels, with the lip. Bumper has the pins on it for the fenders. We're gonna go ahead and slap this sucker on and see how it works. So here we go. I think so.
I think so, because that's where the light goes.
All right, guys, so Cobra bumper is on. Boom, that's all you're gonna see right now. So I actually have a little double whammy for you guys. You obviously know I'm a huge fan of the smoked headlights and, well, I wouldn't even say smoke, tinted headlights and tinted taillights. So I got some new ones, check them out. Starting off, we got the taillights. Got some brand new double tinted rear tail lights, and I actually cut out the reverse light in these. Well, I didn't do it, but I got them cut out because I thought, you know, it would look pretty good and I can actually see while reversing. I got the third brake light here, that's all freshly tinted. And inside here we got some new headlights. These are kind of dark too, but we're gonna go ahead and install this stuff. All right, guys, so today on our Redo Blue episode, so much has happened. We kind of done a lot more in this episode, so you get, like I said, a double whammy going on. Cobra bumper is installed. My mind's blown for, you know, having that company for $250. Cobra bumper, have it painted and shipped to me. You guys will see that in a moment. Got the new headlights and tail lights in, and it looks damn good. I'm excited. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna have Dane move his car. I'm gonna pull it out, air it out, and you guys will be able to see it firsthand. Oh my God, my mind's blown right now. Dude, oh guys, fucking blue. You guys gotta see it? You guys gotta see it.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, dude, that looks so fucking good. Oh my God, are you serious? Is that my car?
Yeah.
I am so sorry, guys. I want to show you right now, but you know I can't do that. Honest to God, dude, how much? Dude, they're not ready, right? What do you think, Dane? Damn, man, that thing looks dude, I'm so stoked. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video of Redo Blue. I got some huge, fun videos coming. You guys do not want to miss it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. For those of you that enjoyed today's video, make sure you drop a like, drop a comment with any questions or concerns. If you want to say what's up, that's cool too. And today's DVP vlog shout out is going out to Bitten2V. Make sure you guys go check him out on Instagram, and thank you so much for your continued support. Peachy, I appreciate all your help. Well, your last name's Peachy too. Yeah, you're Peachy #2. Yep. Jordan, thank you so much for your help. Boom. Jordan's Ghost Pound.
Derek's car, my car, the whole crew's car. We're all gonna be at
Mustang Week, boy.
Next week, September 2nd through the 9th. Come out, have some fun. We're gonna have Derek at the YouTube meet and stuff.
Hell yeah, dude. Our house is gonna be so fun, dude.
It's gonna be
awesome.
Gonna be
awesome. Thank you so much for watching. That's today's video. But until next time, we'll see you later.
Call that ballin', doing this is my calling. Flow is so appalling. My phone off and she calling. I'm like, yeah, what it do?